If you're looking for a straightforward way to invest in Europe, Trade Republic might have caught your eye. But is it really the best investing app out there? Let's dive into what it offers and where it might fall short. Trade Republic is a mobile-first investing platform designed to simplify trading for users across Europe. At its core, it allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and derivatives with zero commission, which is pretty enticing. The app is user-friendly, boasting a sleek interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned investors. You can also set up savings plans for stocks and ETFs, making it easier to invest consistently over time. However, while the core functionality is strong, there are some areas that leave you wanting more. For instance, the educational resources are somewhat limited, which might not be ideal for novice investors looking to learn. Additionally, the selection of available assets can feel a bit narrow compared to other platforms, making it potentially frustrating for users seeking a diverse portfolio. Overall, it's a solid choice for straightforward investing, but it may not meet the needs of everyone. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Trade Republic's zero commission trading is a huge draw, especially for those who want to minimize costs. The app's interface is intuitive, which makes navigation easy even for those not tech savvy. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The limited range of assets can be a deal breaker for more experienced investors looking for variety. Additionally, some users have raised concerns about customer support. It may not be as responsive as one would hope. If you're someone who values educational content or needs extensive customer service, you might find Trade Republic lacking. It seems best suited for casual investors who want a simple, cost-effective way to enter the market. In summary, Trade Republic could be a great fit for those new to investing or anyone who prefers a straightforward trading experience without hefty fees. However, if you're seeking a more comprehensive platform with diverse investment options and robust support, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but know what you're getting into.